Come to this lesson about user-defined functions in Python programming language. A function is a series of related statements or a block of code which can only runs when you call it. And you can define a function in Python programming language using the def keyword followed by the name of the function. And to name your function, you can follow the rules for naming variables. And in the function header, you can place any number of parameters to pass information into a function body. You can pass any number of parameters as arguments, and you have to call the function to make it works. When you call your function, you have to put the function name followed by parentheses, and if your function has any number of arguments or has any number of parameters, place values for those parameters. And the function body must be indented. Once you type the function header and that ends with a colon and hit enter, you will see the text editor or the IDE you use will insert 4 white spaces before the body to mark the body of the function. And Python programming language recognizes the body of a function using indentation or 4 white spaces as normally. And there is an important point also, which is the return statement. You can use the return statement or return keyword from the Python standard library to return data from a function back to the caller. We have a simple example here. You can see this is a function called add numbers, and it has a single parameter called x in between the parentheses of the function. The first line here is the function header, and we define the function using the def keyword as you can see here. And you can see this is an indentation before the body of the function to make Python programming language recognizes the body of the function. If you try to remove indentation, Python programming language recognizes the end of the function once you remove indentation after the function body, as in this line here, the print function. And you can see inside the body of the function we define a variable called result, and this result is equal to x plus x. This is arithmetic operation to add two numbers together, and the return statement to return result back to the caller when you call your function add numbers. And in this case we give 5 as a value for x parameter. The value of any parameter is called an argument. 5 is the value of x, and this value will be passed into the function body in this place for x and also in this place for x, and the function will return a result. This result will be 10 x plus x, 5 plus 5. This result, the function will return this result back to the caller, and the print function to print the output from calling the function with 5 as a value of x. That's it for this lesson, and we are gonna see all of that practically in the practical lesson for a user-defined function.